skipping school. They'll be making songs about a heart that once belonged to you. So give your name to Louisiana, to the running girls who will catch the moon. They'll fill their hearts up with your name.